Defender 110 D250 X Dynamic S. It's then been fully exterior styled by nobody other than Urban, which is the style that everybody wants. Wide arches, front canards, pod lights, extended black pack. With it being the X Dynamic S, it comes with all the spec you need, but then this one has finer features like air suspension, sliding sunroof, and other bits of spec which we'll touch on in a second. It's only done 16,000 miles on a 72 registration, and I do not think that this car will last long because we get lots of calls asking, have you got any Urbans coming in? We physically have one. Here it is. Urban badging, they've then got the full extended black pack. The Canards, by the way, just an extension, just this front side splitter there, which again is the feature that everyone wants. Extended wheel arches, all in gloss black. Then you've got the wheels. So this is the wheels that everyone would want. They want the multi-spokes in satin black by Urban. This one has them. Front and rear mud flaps, fixed side steps, but it's the detail that you get with the application. So bonnet insert, side vent, pod light, again, all being completed. It even comes with the original key holder as well. If you have a look at the back, and you'll see the interior. So two-tone interior. Hopefully the camera picks it up, but this is a slightly off dark grey, cream through the middle, sliding sunroof. Again, would not have been standard on the S at this moment in time, but this one has it. 16,000 miles, not many miles at all. It's been kept in very, very good condition, this car, and it'll have been a considerable amount of money when it was purchased from Urban when it was new. Fixed spoiler, again, all badged up, everything that you would want to see. Huge boot space. The reason that so many people look at 110s is they make a cracking family car, but you have something that looks incredibly well. Air suspension can control from the back or just from the driver's cockpit, depending on, I suppose, what sort of driving scenario you're in. If you need to increase the height because you're in a rural area, you might want it lowered so it looks a bit better in style. Full-size spare wheel cover as well. If you have a look at the interior from the driver's point of view, again, that colour combination continues. The steering wheel has been upgraded as well, so you have the dark cross beam on the steering wheel. But I do love that two-tone interior. I can't say confidently that I've seen one before with it, so again, another rare feature on this particular car. Lane keep assist, cruise control, screen at the back, there's your traffic sign recognition, miles fuel, usual bits that you would get in them. Then the centre screen has navigation, telephone, media, 360 camera, rear view camera if you want that one. Air suspension, which I mentioned earlier, is controlled from here. Opening sunroof. But again, you can tell this car has really hardly been used. 16,000 miles, but it's been very, very well kept. If you are having a look and comparing it to other Defender 110s, make sure you're taking into consideration the exterior, because again, it's been done by probably the most famous and popular brand at the moment when it comes to Defender conversions. So if you are in the market for a 110, but you want something that is special, this one's going live. Any questions about how you can buy it through different funding options, you may have a part exchange that you want to have a chat about, then feel free to contact me direct. My name is Paddy. I'll answer any questions that you've got.